Hi guys, let's talk about Maximo Mobile for a minute. It's been very interesting to see how organizations have responded to mobility over the years and how some have resisted where others have been very willing to adopt. Why? Why do some adopt? Why do others not adopt? And oftentimes, interestingly, it comes down to how they manage their maintenance budget and where they see the value and what's recognized. And today, while most enterprises tend to be locked down in terms of the devices they support, bring your own device is a viable method. You can download the Maximo Mobile app, log in on your phone or your tablet, and get to work. We look at what mobile does for us. It's a lot more than just telling someone what they need to go do today, which I think is oftentimes the perception of mobile. And it's not just replacing the paper, it's improving the overall experience. It's helping a worker, a technician, understand the additional information that it doesn't appear on a work order alone. Historical work performed, additional details about the asset, what's the other asset next to this one that I'm also looking at, and I think that, hey, maybe I need to touch this as well in order to get my job done today. And the mobile device helps guide a technician through the process. They can see the job plan, they see the parts that they should have available, and it's asking for the data while you're there. So the failure information, what was the cause, what was the remedy. The mobile device allows us to not only help the technician in the process as they are performing the job, but it lets us capture the critical data at the time of action, which is when it is freshest in the mind. We're going to get the most data and we're going to get the most accurate data while the work is being performed. So when we look at the cost of being a reactive organization versus a predictive organization, we can look at those numbers and go, wow, we need to be predictive. So what do most people think, right? Oh, well, we got to go get some AI. No, you got to go get a mobile device. And you got to put it in the hands of the guy or girl who's the smartest in the world of maintenance. And that's the technician. It's the person out there who's performing the work. Because in reality, they're not only doing the work that we know is assigned to them, but they're doing 2 or 3 more things each and every day that they saw were problems, that there was no work order for. And if they don't have a mobile device, they're not going to create a work order for that. They're not going to record it. It's just going to get done. And the data that they have in their head is everything we need to get predictive. It's everything. So you want to get predictive. You don't need to spend millions of dollars on AI. You need to spend a few $100,000 on enabling your technicians to give you what's in their head. Maximo Mobile is not so much about the whiz-bang features of the app as it is being the conduit to both help the technician while they're out there and get real-time best data capture. That's what's going to drive our improvement. We have done a lot of business cases on this. If you have questions and you want to get there, but you haven't been able to convince leadership that that's the way to go, let's talk. A business value assessment, hands down, it's going to show that this is a great way to go, and your few $100,000 in will probably produce millions in return. So love to hear your thoughts and comments. Look forward to talking to you.